Hola bafethu, this is your boy, I'm King Shamase. Angihambi ke ngedwa bafethu, ngihamba nomsholozi la our legendary. Lena ke bayibiza ngeDanko Disc podcast, brought to you by Take2 TV. Nifike bafethu lapha ni subscribe ni share ama episode ethu, ni ringe nama notification bell so that nizowathola. Ama show ethu kanjalo ngolwesine so broadcastela bukhoma Pine Town Pine Creek Espe. Yeah, ishow itholakala njalo ngo4 ntambama 4 p.m. Guys ke namhlanje njoba nazi ukuthi sihlezi siphethe ama development. So what we going to do, ngiphethe umsholozi namhlanje uzokhuluma ngama coaching clinics. Niyazi kade lokho esenicathulisa saqala sano junior sisema grounding. Usazobuya futhi naye on the show and sisazoqhubeka nama tours. Usicelo ke is from is a CEO and the founder yesicelo Sports Skill Development. Msholozi asicobisa abantu ngolwazi emakhaya kodwa ngicela ubabingelele kuqala.
It was kamnandi ukubuya. It's good to be back after a while. Sinezinto ezibhizi ngazo, ngiyababingelela abalaleli emakhaya, ngibingelela abafowethu ama ex professionals, ngibingelela ama professionals abadlala manje, ngibingelele wonke umuntu ama supporters abantu bathanda ibhola, ngibingelele wonke ama analysts abantu abasebholeni, ngibingelele nezikhulu zebhola abantu abasinike ulwazi. Sicela ukubabingelela ngokukhethekile mase sibingelela bonke abantu umphakathi wonke ke siubingelele ngegama lebhola esilithanda kakhulu.
Amen msholozi. Ngitshela ababukeli lapha emakhaya ukuthi hayi namhlanje siqala ngesikole. Ngiyazi balindela ama scores nani.
Yeah, namhlanje siqala ngesikole. Usicelo lana namhlanje uzokhuluma nabaqeqeshi abaku youth development, abaku grassroots. Njoba saze ukuthi we've been to a grassroots for 10 years. So experience is enough ukuthi sikwazi ukubona okusebenzayo nokungasebenzi. Shamase lana ngelinye ilanga masihlala ke phansi sibatshela ucoach ukuthi there are so many reasons city sifuna masikhuluma le show yakhe ibabonise izinto ezi right. So basically namhlanje ngizele ukuzokhuluma ngokuthi why sesinengane ezingakwazi ukucabanga njalo maziphethe ibhola. What are the causes and the reasons akhoza lokho?
Okay.
I reason yokuqala Shamase engifuna ukuyenza, ngifuna ukuthi ibhola nesikole kuyahambisana. Ngiyavumelana kakhulu nabantu abasho njalo. But kunalento eyenzakalayo ke ebholeni kunesikhathi sokujima, kunesikhathi sokudlala ama friend game, kunesikhathi sokudlala ileague noma ama tournament. Lezi izikhathi ziwu3. Kunesikhathi sokuthi ejimini ngalesikhathi nijima niphinde nidlala ama 11v11. Lokho kuyisikhathi sani sokuprepare as well. Mase siyaya esikoleni kunesikhathi eziwu3 nakhona ezifikayo. Kufika isikhathi sokufunda, sokuvuka every day uyofunda, kunesikhathi se homework, kunesikhathi sokuthi ubhale ama test, nesikhathi sokuthi ubhale ama exam. Uyazibona lezi zinto ziyafana. So uma ngabe sike ebholeni into efanayo ke exactly nebhola, but yini enzakala manje engithi asilimit. Uma ngabe ingane ziye esikoleni noma ingane ziye ejimini zisuke zofunda into efanayo ngithi siyavumelana. Then mase kuyasuka kuthiwe manje sekuyisikhathi sokuya kwini, sokuya ukuthi siyodlala ama games or siyodlala ama friend game. Lapho ingane isiyobhala into sort of ama test, ukuthi manje ibhala ama test, ibhala i test yayo noma iyobhala i test. Then mase kuba isikhathi sokuthi iyodlala i tournament noma iyodlala ama league, uyabo, noma iyodlala any kind of competition nje la iyodlala khona against a team, opposition team, yabo. Lapho ingane isuke siyobhala i exam. Where are we getting it wrong as our coach noma nabazali included? Because siyidinga support yabazali kodwa sidingi le ephazamisa izingane zibhala iexam. So ingakho ke ngizela ngathi ngifuna ukurelate lezi zinto zombili ukuthi ingane mesidlala igame coach thula ngoba iyabhala iexam. Kade uyifundisa sonke lesikhathi mzali thula ngoba is preparing, is writing his exam. There is no one who can like to be disturbed when he's doing an exam. So now we need to make sure that we let them think on the ball, do whatever they want to think, because if you are khuluma, you are getting into their minds, you are mpazamisa. Akasakwazi ukuthatha decision yakhe, then you taking away the decision making.
should you don't trust your training skills.
You don't
'cause
trust God
umtrain.
umtrainer ngithi. Now you need to implement so that when you go back Shamase you didn't do 1 2 3 4 5.
Yeah.
Then it's easy to coach lo mntwana. Then we'll have more better players that we can develop.
And during matches in half time.
Kunama
That's
half
when you
time,
fix.
that's where you can also fix. But mina ngiyaye ngithi even nalapho you cannot fix.
Yeah.
Ukuthi you did this, you didn't do this, you did this, you didn't do this. You just look at the opponent. How can you outclass the opponent?
Yeah.
You don't need to ukuthi manje Shamase udwele kwizinto esezenzekile. Then you, that's where you will go to training, and then training, that's where you need to implement lezi zinto ezingenzekanga egamini so that you can be more specific on your trainings as well. Because otherwise bangabe ungabi specific on your trainings uyanhlanhlatha.
Exactly.
You don't know what Shamase kade yenza ka wrong ngoba when you're focusing on him doing the certain things that you want him to do, not the things that you teach him to do. Because you've never seen esikoleni ingane ibhale exam uthisha eze azo assist
Ethi
ngangitheni la uyakhumbula ngangitheni la. So what happens ukuthi thina sithi ngetest sifuna ukubafundisa kanti ngetest ukuthi sibhale mase siyammakela sithi la waba wrong la.
Yeah.
Kodwa i-exam awukwazi ukwenza ngoba it's matter of fail and pass.
That's true.
You can only menza abuyele eclassini back uyom-upgrade noma uyomphindisa iclass ukuthi ayenze better le exam. So ingakho ngithi ngicela ucoach bayilalele kakhulu le ndaba because i-distraction eningi idalwa yithini ucoach. Messi landelwa abazali. When you do ukhahlela ushenganeni nomzali will say the same.
Exactly.
Izolalela bani ingane? Where are we taking the instinct of a striker? That is why South Africa sekuthiwa kuna strike ngoba ingane iyatshelwa everything that he must do in his game. Ayisekho into instant. Ngike ngabuza ingane ngathi mina Shamase ngidlala ibhola, ungabuza any professional player oke wadlala. Une skill kunento kade udlula kuShamase ungazi udlule kanjani.
Exactly.
Ngoba ibhola is spiritual.
Yabo.
Kodwa uma li spiritual lisho ukuthi kuzoba nezinye izinto ongizothi iphinde Shamase ungasayiphindi. Kufana nale show today, le show today ingaphansi kokufundisa. Kodwa ukuvula kwethu le topic yanamhlanje noma ukuzintroduce ingenze ngayifeel ukuthi iyenye topic yanamhlanje because of the things that we've just said. Ngoba this thing is about spiritual. So that's why ke ngithi ucoach kufanele baqinise kakhulu kuleyo nto ngoba iyolekelela most of the teams. Kuke kuthule nje kube ngecwaka makudlala ibhola ingane zicabanga idribule mayifuna ukudribula ishoot mayifuna ukushoot. Yenza i-decision yayo. So it's vital. So I would like this thing also be translated to English because we've got abantu that are English speaking.
Exactly.
So they need to understand that it's very important to do the things that have been done in school level and related to soccer. Because if the kids are writing exams, they are not get distracted. But if it's a game situation, the kids also need not to be distracted because they need to write their own exam without any assistance from you because you've been helping them the entire week. And now it's the game where they need to do their exams. You only need to correct the exams and then go back to the drawing board if the things that they didn't do right, and then you correct it at training so that they can be better in the next game.
No, Sholos, you said it well, and lento ishoyo wenze ngama example esirelate kakhulu kona when we mentioning iskole, exams and stuff. It's the same thing.
Yes, it's the same thing, nearly the same thing. That is why the football will always relate to soccer. And then the kids, they will begin to understand better now because we're relating to something they are sometimes forced to do. But they love soccer, but they need to understand that they must be forced to go to school because it might change their lives. It might give them a better opportunity in life as well. So that's what is important. So when we relate with soccer, they will then take soccer seriously. And then also when we start educating parents about the implication they do in putting pressure on their kids in their game time. Now they need to understand my child is going to a game, but he's going to write his own exam. I'm not going to assist him.
I said it all. I'm sure if it's clear. I hope you guys are taking notes. Please do that because I'm sure you've seen it a lot. And the mistake iqala when the coach is doing that, then umzali uzolandela naye ngoba ezogqugquzela ingane yakhe not knowing ukuthi usiyayiphazamisa. I want to check something Lamsholozi. I never asked ukuthi ikhona yini league with development that is currently happening mhlambe eThekwini noma ePine Town nama pattern.
Yes, we've got a league in Durban. We've got a SAFA structure that are operating for youth, where you start from under 7, under 6, up until 19, and then after 19, we've got ama leagues, amanya structured by SAFA that the child go to. So it's a very good run leagues that are involved by with our custodian SAFA. So we've got a league that is happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, powerful. Ukuthi ngikhunjuzwa ukuthi sine Betway Premier League.
Yes. Kanti ngala kwenzakalani. Yes. No, ikhona ama league.
Hayi bafethu umsondele ngabe kwisicelo sisavulile for registrations.
Yeah, we still open kwisicelo because kwisicelo we about development. So we closed in terms of the kids that are Mrs. Tolly number, but we continue to take every kid because we believe every kid is got an opportunity, he's got a platform that he must play, he must also change personality. One day bengihleka ngithi mina I will bring that boy in few weeks, I mean like because he's at school when we're doing our show, but I would like to bring him. He was telling me something that I said, as Utin, we are doing a great job as coaches. Lomfano Zengme, not coaches, I've started my own team. Wow. He's only 9 years old. He said, I've started my own team and ngiqale nje ngiyabajimisa abafana like into engithola la kwisicelo ngijimisa abanye. I said, wow, this boy, I will bring him on the show. Crazy. And I will bring him on the show because it could be school holidays. I'm hoping ukuthi sike simthole nje ezo explain ukuthi how is it like, what is inspiring him ukuthi avule i-team.
Hey, visionary baba.
Yeah.
9 years old.
Yeah.
Leadership.
Kakhulu.
Kakhulu. We inspire to inspire.
Yeah.
Aspire to inspire. So in Amandla, I'm sure we need that kid. Lampo can even shift the show. Ukuthi benge weekend if for yena specifically.
Yes.
Mhlampe guys ngakhohlwa njalo sePinetown Spare kunama combo like breakfast. Kunenye ingane nje very cheap 120 rand. I saw it when I came in. So please support because manilekelela thina kulekelele kuSpare nathi siyakhula good people.
Very true. Next week nje thina we are hosting a birthday celebration on the 25th. Everyone is more than welcome to come and join. La kezosibona khona lesisona ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. So ingane zamukile, bring your child on the 25th of this month starting at 5 o'clock until 9. We are going to be here eSpare.
Shadow night.
Yes. Shadow night.
Yeah, I'm sure those let's move to from our coaching clinics sibuyela back to what's happening kwelekana obhutshuzwayo kuma top level.
Yeah, very tough Shamase.
Yeah.
Very tough. We're looking at things as it stand right now. Siyabona ukuthi kunzima. We've got squad.
Yeah. Okay.
In few hours to come manje. Ngicela nje ukusibheka isquad sub before. We've got isquad engicabanga ukuthi mina ngizosisho manje ukuthi sizoma kanjani.
Okay.
Singaye emakethe kancane bese siyabuya.
Okay, no guys, stay tuned. When we come back, Msholozi will go straight to our stats nokuthi nathi sicabangani so zakhele sethu la.
Good morning. My name is Andiswa Ngobo. I play for Coastal Schools and today we're here to play a tournament at Kloof against 3 clubs today. I don't quite remember, but our first game is normal in the youth development. And our club started last year. Well, it was an old club, but they started trials this year, beginning of this year. And we went to a tour in East London during the holidays of term 3. And now we are here again fighting for the Pinetown District Cup. We hope we do well and good luck to everyone else.
Okay, welcome back guys. We are back. I'm sure those awubangene khamba.
Ngicela ukusho nje specifically ngicela ukusho esami squad.
Okay.
Shamas.
Yeah.
Ukuthi namhlanje ngo12 o'clock
the
squad will be looking like.
Okay.
Epalini kuzofike namhlanje kube khona u Rowan Williams.
Yeah.
Kube khona uRicardo Kos. Mase kuba khona uSipho Shane.
Okay.
Ama defender will go with uKhulisa Mdawu, Olwethu Makhanya, uThabang Matluduti. Mase kuba uTalon Smith. Sababala ngithi. Kube uNkosinathi Sibisi, kube uObri Mdiba, kube iTLB umbokazi mase kuba uNdamane.
Okay.
Ngizophinde ngibale futhi coach ngoba sifanele sisale
Yeah.
nabani nabadlali
About
23.
23.
Kuzofika kube ukhulisa Mdawu, kube owethu Makhanya, kube uTylon Smith, kube uThabang Mathuluti, kube uNkosinathi Sibisi, kube uAubrey Mdiba, kube uKhulani Ndamane, bese kuba iTLB. Those are 8 defenders. Then kube midfielder kuzoba uTebogo Mkwena, Adams Yadine Adams, Talent Mbatha, Siphepelo Sithole, Mthetheleli Mthiyane, kube Luke Relox.
Okay.
6 plus 8 plus 3 goalkeepers. How many?
8, 11, 17.
Right. Mase kuthi abadlala forward kuzofika kube uApolis, kube uThabang Mremi, kube uLan Foster, kube uMfukeng, kube uPatrick Masawa nganye.
Yeah.
Mase kuzovala uRhines.
Hey, yazi ngithuli ngasho ukuthi ngathi ungambala. Hey, that's
Manje
guy.
bese sithi 6 lo.
Yeah.
How many players?
23 now.
23.
Yes.
That's how the squad will be. Then abazobe be standby kuzofika kube uMakhopa, kube uNkotha, kube uMaswanganye, kube uSelebele Sibelebele.
Maswangane simbalile on the squad.
Is in the squad.
Yeah.
uMaswanganye is in the squad.
Yeah.
Okay, makhona uMaswanganye should it means ukuthi isquad isime kanjani.
Yeah.
Thembazwane will not make a squad. It's a very broad quota. I don't see him making a squad. Thembazwane big name
Mshish.
for me.
Hey, Faith.
I don't see him making a squad.
Hey.
Kunjalo balaleli ngicela ukuthi sisiboneke ngo12
Yeah.
o'clock but
Okay.
mina I will say Thembazwane will not make a final squad. He will be on standby but ngeke abe khona ku final squad 23 man squad.
Yes, sir. You heard it first, okay, guys. We are free now. Nukusheseni squad like my
Yes.
comments. Sibona
Yeah.
ukuthi how do we think as
Yeah.
coaches and fans of the football?
Yes.
No, inamandla mshodozi sesiyobona ukuthi ithini throw.
Yes.
Hey, Fethu, I saw something, ne?
Yeah.
Not from a reliable source, but kubafowethu engiye ngibafollow on social media. I saw leanda by it's a CAF whereby Morocco lost against Senegal. Sengathi
Very painful.
leanda liana
Ibuyile. No, very painful. Babesho bathi iMorocco izowina icup. But kumina ngikubuka sekuyinto abayenzela lapha ukuthi kungamosheki. They saw ukuthi uma bezoyenza lento ibe kanje bazoyimosha. They needed it to dry down.
Yeah.
Iphele akekho manje umuntu usangavukela ushukela.
Exactly.
But what is the most important part is that ingane ekhulayo yazi ukuthi Senegal ayiwini league. I mean yase Senegal. Le ama tacticality abasayazi bona. Bazi ukuthi Senegal celebrated. I will wait and see ukuthi bazozilanda kanjani ama medal kulabantu laba abade sibewawinile. I think what they will do ukuthi bazovele benze ukuthi Senegal ikhiphe yonke into while be awarda laba indebe and then mase ukuthi abadlali base lokhunjeni babenzele new wama medal because I don't see them.
That's true.
Be return ama gold medal laba ba return ama silver.
Yeah.
But I think unless
Makes
FIFA
sense.
will say abakwenze but I don't see it happening.
It makes sense, Msholo.
Yeah, I don't see it happening.
Yeah, when it's crazy because football.
Yeah.
And I mean, I tend to differ most of the time. On that match, I saw Morocco winning. But ngokuthi Senegal is everyone's favorite. and then I kept my
you
umbono
saw
wami aside.
Morocco winning. They were
Yeah.
the problem is that
Yeah.
umbono wakho was vital. I remember we were on this show as well, and then I said Senegal will win. What Morocco
Yes,
will win.
exactly.
My point is that in Morocco, or ref bayenzelele kakhulu. It might be human error, but the problem even if VAR ibingayo go check.
Yeah.
I felt ukuthi before that penalty that was considered,
Yeah.
there was a foul against Senegal,
Yeah.
with no doubt, but it was ignored. It was not even gone and checked on the VAR. So you cannot have that. Yabo. So there were so many instances engathi bepusha ukuthi win.
True.
So ingakho ke uNkulunkulu ayenza le yanto.
Hali handle.
So sebengayenza labayenzayo, which is true ngokomthetho, because you're not supposed ukubona ama sins enjeyana kwi professional level. But what is happening is that manje sebenza ibhore bese kufanele bayiyeke injeyana, because ayisasizi umuntu anyway.
No, msholosi ngiyakuzwa, and it's helping ukuthi lento ibe topic even because kwi development sifundisa discipline.
Yes.
Nokuthi noma ngabe siphi isimo ohlangabezana nazo, you need to live under sona, ubekezele ekudlula
noma
kanjani.
Yes.
So it can be ukuthi Senegal was robbed so many times, but sebeshawa iflop yokuthi abakwazanga ukucontrola their anger against what was happening.
Yes. It's true yabashaya kufanele futhi, kodwa it could have been done in a different way. It could have been ukuthi once we take a decision that they must play, it could have been automatically saying that Senegal izopanishwa ngokuthile, not ukuthi Muncu Cup. Ngoba what if labantu bawina? Ingabe bayenze njani Senegal? Angithi ngabe bayipunish just because yawina manje sekufanele ipunish ukuwina iphinde ipunishwe futhi punishwe kabili. So kumina iyenze sense. Ifanele ngabe bathi Senegal, you did this, so punishment yenith harsh punishment, or maybe ninga participate for 2 years we African Cup of Nations, but it mustn't be into ethi abamuncu icup manje. Ngoba manje sebepunishwa kabili. If babe winile laba abanye kwakuwenzakalani? That's the question that we need to ask. Babezopunishwa kanjani?
Ngiyakuzwa. Sholos Orlando Pirates last game ithrowile.
Sesivala.
Kaizer Chiefs won 1-0.
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns won 3-1.
Technically, Chiefs sangayiwini league, as I said, but it won't be possible. But technically, mawubuka technically, the Chiefs sangayiwini league. But I will do this year. I will say, against all odds, the Pirates is still got a good chance of winning the league. It's still got a good chance of winning the league. At this moment in time, I think Abanbe Pirate Nabany, the pressure is on Sundowns. To keep number one spot.
True.
It's very difficult to deal with the number one spot. But the Sundowns advantage now, which has been there and done that all the time. But abakaze bakichinyiswa kangaka emva kwabo.
Yes.
So meaning the Pirate has to just keep the momentum. But I predict with the Pirate at the end is we clinch the league. Bayobuya abantu basho kumina, but I think Pirate will clinch this league because ingibonisile ukuthi there are situations engiwabonayo ukuthi ingacisha iwini Pirates.
No, Sholos ngiyakuzwa mfethu. Let's get to the predictions of abantu abafaka imali yabo lapha kuma betting society. Upcoming games, I think it's no Sekhukhune abazayo oswelele.
Some games
will be playing.
We've got a game.
20 mhlaka 22 Swelele ne-Orbits.
Swelele ne-Orbits. Ayengeke lapho kuzobe draw. Bathi draw. It's going to be a very difficult game. Both of them are fighting relegation. They will either share a point.
Okay.
They will share a point.
Khona amagoli mubheka.
It could have been ukuthi kuzobe 1-1, but very dodgy game. What time is going to be a draw?
Siphinde sibe neSekhukhune ne-Arrows.
Sekhukhune ne-Arrows. Sekhukhune is home game. Sidinga ama point. I will predict 2-1 to isikhukhune sebeluza kakhulu. They won't want to lose again, especially home. And no coach uyazi ukuthi umsebenzi phezulu ingcopho. So I think 2-1 will be imagine ukuthi abafana bophuthu babuye bedlisa uphuthu bona.
And also there's a Kaizer Chiefs game near Sundowns anytime soon. I think this month again.
I would say ukuthi Chiefs ngeke kwazi ukudla Sundowns noma sesithande sesikhale ngembezi. Ama team azodla Sundowns la ngabhekiwe. Chiefs will go there to Sundowns and I don't see them winning the game. Unfortunately Chiefs akakabi le Chiefs njengoba ngisho ku building stage. You can see manje ukuthi building yabi ithanda ucracker, foundation akakabi kahle. So they need to go back to a foundation but ukuyilungisa ngoba vele basabuilda. Foundation ayimile ngomumo ababuyele ebuva baphinde bayothi ukuzama futhi.
That's true. No, siyabonga kakhulu Msholozi, thank you so much for sharing such ulwazi olungaka mfethu to freely kuma coaches out there ngaphandle kokukhetha ukuthi who is who. Mhlawumbe in closing remarks, what do you have to share?
Nje ngingathi ene babo coach, let's continue loving the game. Let's continue saving the game. Saving it ngayo yonke indlela esingakhona ngakhona. Let's be role model, let's inspire. Let's make sure that we share the same knowledge and make sure that we grow each other because no one knows everything in this game. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you so much Msholozi. Guys, usicelo Zuma lo kade ukukhuluma njengamanje. My co-host of every show every Thursday. Ningakhohlwa good people ngo4 yaphuma le show ntambama. Mina ke ngoKing Shamase ngitholakala khona la ekhaya kwa Take2 TV. See you next time on the next show. Danko Disk.